Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Equitable Bank agent banking requirements. This is a topic that I get a lot of questions about, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate your support, and I'm glad that you're finding my content helpful. Now, let's get started. Have you ever wanted to start your own business? If so, you may be wondering about the different types of bank accounts that are available to you. One option is to open an agent banking account. Agent banking is a type of banking that allows you to open a bank account in the name of your business. This can be a great option if you're a sole proprietor or a small business owner. However, there are some requirements that you need to meet in order to open an agent banking account. In this video, I'm going to discuss the Equitable Bank agent banking requirements. What is Equitable Bank? Equitable Bank is a Canadian online bank that offers a variety of banking products and services, including agent banking. Equitable Bank is a member of the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, so your deposits are insured up to $100,000. What are the Equitable Bank agent banking requirements? In order to open an Equitable Bank agent banking account, you must meet the following requirements. You must be a Canadian resident or citizen. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have a valid government-issued ID. You must have a business that is registered in Canada. Your business must be in good standing with the appropriate regulatory authorities. You must have a business bank account. If you meet all of these requirements, you can open an Equitable Bank agent banking account. Benefits of Equitable Bank agent banking. There are a number of benefits to opening an Equitable Bank agent banking account, including no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, free online banking, free mobile banking, free inter-account transfers, competitive interest rates. How to open an Equitable Bank agent banking account. If you're interested in opening an Equitable Bank agent banking account, you can apply online or by phone. Once your application is approved, you'll need to provide some additional documentation, such as a copy of your business registration certificate and a recent bank statement. Additional tips. If you're not sure whether you meet the requirements to open an Equitable Bank agent banking account, it's always a good idea to call them and ask. Once you have your agent banking account, be sure to keep track of your transactions and reconcile your account regularly. If you have any questions or concerns about your agent banking account, don't hesitate to contact Equitable Bank customer service. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about Equitable Bank agent banking requirements, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.